Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have a business account and the latest app. Now begin. Open Reels and tap the plus to create. Choose audio so you can add sound before filming. If you want branded or original clips, select Use Audio or Import from Device. This lets you control rights and volume. Once done, tap Preview to check levels and trim the clip. Make sure to save a draft if you need to adjust captions or cover art before moving on. Now fine-tune the sound so it supports your message. Import or pick a track, then trim precisely where you need it. Use split and fade to avoid abrupt starts. Next, open the audio mixer and balance music versus original audio and any voiceover so dialogue remains clear. If you're matching cuts to beats, use align and speed controls to speed up or slow clips and nudge them until the motion matches the rhythm. Once synced, preview full play. Finish by adding captions, a clickable cover, relevant tags, and business-oriented settings like product links or promoted post options. Save a draft if you want approvals, or schedule via Creator Studio or Meta Business Suite for peak times. This preserves analytics. If Instagram rejects or mutes audio, inspect rights and check the licensed music library. You can trim or replace the problematic segment or upload a cleared track. If problems persist, clear cache, update the app, and retry publishing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.